Unmuted.
Good morning, traders. Good morning and welcome to another trading session here at Trademy.com. This is Kyriakos Karilaou talking, guys, from the Forex trading desk of Trademy. It's nice to be back after some holidays I had, so we are full of energy and passion to make money in the financial markets as well today, guys. So I would like to see who is with us today. I see that with us is Francis, Rachel, Williams, I think it's the first time I see you online. And as my colleague Elif is informing me, it's not the first time you have entered the trading room. However, it's the first time I see you online. So good morning, second time, all right? But it's the first time we talk together. So it's nice to have you on board. Also, Rachel is constantly with us for the past few months. Welcome, Rachel, and I hope you enjoyed today's trading session. And also, Francis is with us for a long time. And I hope, Francis, you also enjoyed today's session. So as I have explained many times, I'm using two systems. I'm using the hedging system for the Forex trading desk and for my Forex trades, and also I'm using the intraday system. Let me explain them very briefly. Since we have newcomers, we have an Excel spreadsheet here, which is called FX positions. If I use the hedging system, guys, it means that instead of closing a trade with a stop loss, if the market moves against me by an X amount of pips, then I'm reversing with a bigger position. So if, for example, I'm long on euro dollar, if I buy euro dollar and suddenly euro dollar declines by a certain amount of pips, then I'm reversing the position to short. So I'm opening an opposite bigger position, short position. And eventually, if the market continues to decline, I'm making money. Now, this Excel is available through your personal account managers, and it does one thing only. It calculates the position size of the next reversal. So if your first position, called initial position, you decide based on your account balances, you decide to be 0.03 lots, then this means if I reverse one time, you will open 0.06. If I reverse again, second time, you will open 0.11. If I reverse again for a third time, you will open 0.23. Okay? However, it's very important to take into consideration in your calculations also the spread costs that you have on each Forex pair. My initial position size is 10 lots because I have a big account. However, based on your account balance, you can start from 0.01 position size and go on. Now, it's not necessary to follow me on all the pairs. Just choose one, it still makes money based on your margin requirements and account balances, okay? So the intraday system is a 15 lot single position, okay? I'm not reversing on that, and I will write for the hedging system, I'm writing HS. So if I write HS, it means that I might reverse sometimes the position. So you use this Excel spreadsheet for position size calculations. If I write IS is the intraday system, I'm just placing the trade, stop loss, TP, that's it. All right? So let's start to analyze our first chart. And the first chart is the 1 hour chart of Euro USD, as you can see here. I'm interested more on this area for the past 3 days, including this one is 4. So let's start analyzing the chart. I will start by marking important support and resistance levels. Now, support levels are levels where we have a significant reaction below the current market price. So the first support level I can observe, and I will use a blue color, light blue color, is here, guys, at 114.14. So that's my first support, intraday support for euro dollar. Are you watching this, guys? Just type a yes or a no so that I know that you can hear me and see me clearly. So very well, thank you. So let me adjust it a bit so that we cover more areas. think here is more appropriate, 114.10. Now the second support for euro dollar, it's actually here, 113.41. 113.41 is the second support, intraday support, and the third support is here, guys, at 113.24. So on these levels, I'm expecting the buyers, okay, most probably the buyers will gain ground if the market reacts. Now, regarding resistance levels, I only have one resistance level for the moment at this point here at 114.845. So there it is, 114.845. Let me round it up to 85. 114.85 is the intraday resistance level. Now I need to use Fibonacci analysis, and I want to mark the 61.8 level, which is, it has been broken to the upside. So that's a very strong bullish momentum, guys. So the first trade for the day, I will use the hedging system and I will enter a long position on Euro USD. So I will buy now 10 lots of Euro USD, long position using the hedging system. So we have just entered the long position on euro dollar. So HS, long euro USD at, let me see the chart. Okay, we have entered the long position on euro USD, guys. There it is, as you can see here. So we are long euro USD at 1.14385, stop loss 1.13815, and TP 1.14735. That's the first trade for the day. There is absolutely nothing holding the euro dollar from going up towards 114.85. So that's why I have entered immediately a long position on that, since we have very bullish observations also on parabolics, MAs, and stuff. So we have entered a long position on Euro USD. Let's proceed with the second pair. The second pair is USD CAD. Let's see. Oh, it looks very interesting and very nice. So let's see how we will deal with that. However, we need a small upside correction and we will short it, guys. There it goes. Okay, I will short dollar CAD. It's a downtrend, correction, weakness, is going down. Let me see a better figure here. Let me go to the 5-minute chart. The 5-minute chart looks really promising. So I will short dollar CAD. So second trade for the day, there we go. Short dollar CAD, 131. Let me see, 10 lots, short dollar CAD, guys. We have just shorted dollar CAD. There we go. We shorted dollar CAD, 10 lots. There we go. The second trade for the day using the hedging system. I have just entered a short position on dollar CAD at 1.33576, stop loss 1.34146, and TP 1.33226. So this is the second trade for the day. It looks really promising. We have bearish setup on the MAs, guys, and a nice accumulation here. Weakness, we are shorting that. We have a bearish cross on the stochastic on the 5-minute chart, weakness of dollar CAD to break above 60 on the 5-minute chart. So let's try it for a short position. Let's move on to the next pair, dollar yen, a very interesting pair as well. It looks really promising for a downside move. It looks really promising for a downside move. Let me see. On the lower time frames, if I have the confirmation, yes, of course we have the confirmation, and it's looking really nice. So I will short dollar yen. Have a nice bearish cross here, bearish parabolics, RSI, It looks very nice. Let me have a look also the 5-minute chart. 5-minute chart. No, I will wait for dollar yen. I will not short it now, guys. So stand by for dollar yen. Dollar CHF. The 1-hour chart looks very promising. Let me check the 15-minute chart so that we are not in other short conditions. 15-minute chart is looking great. Let me see here. Okay, it looks really nice, guys. So I will short dollar CHF. Dollar CHF. Let's short dollar CHF. It looks really nice. So short dollar CHF. 10 lots. There we go. We have just shorted dollar CHF again. All right. So third trade for the day. Short USD CHF at 0.9832. Stop loss 0.9889 and TP 0.9797. Okay, it's falling nicely. That's nice to see. Let's move on to the Kiwi. Kiwi looks really promising for long positions, guys. Let me check in order not to enter into overbought territories. Okay, let me check the 5-minute chart. Very strong bullish momentum. I'm entering long positions on the Kiwi. So Kiwi, I will place a long position. Long position on the Kiwi, guys, using the hedging system. There we go. We have just entered the long position on the Kiwi. There we go. Long on the Kiwi. So fourth trade. Long New Zealand USD at 0.67639 with a stop loss at 0.67069 and a TP at 0.67989. Let me have a look on pound dollar. Pound dollar, very interesting pair for the year of 2019. Still holding enough, still high enough, guys, this pair. Let me have a look on this one. Contradicting results on the MAs. Contradicting results on the MAs. I think I will leave it behind. I'm not trading pound dollar today, at least for the moment. Euro yen is looking very promising. Let me check the lower time frames. Okay, guys, we will enter long positions on Euro yen. Euro yen, there we are. Long positions, market price, very strong bullish momentum. Okay, long positions. We have just entered the long position on Euro yen. It's accumulating nicely. There we go. We have entered the long position on Euro yen at 123.817. Stop loss 123.247 and TP 124.167. Already making some money on Euro yen. A rally is expected. Let's go on with the next one. Aussie dollar, guys, is ready to break to the upside. Let me check the higher time frames. Oh, it's very nice, guys. So I would go long Aussie dollar. Long Aussie dollar. Long Aussie dollar, guys. Market price is getting ready to explode to the upside as well. All right, there we go. Stop loss and TP are in place. So we have entered also long Aussie dollar at 0.71402, stop loss 0.7832, and TP 0.71752. So this is the Aussie dollar trade. Let me have a look on pound yen. Pound yen, nice. Looks very promising on the 1 hour chart. We have a bit of contradicting results, but this cross of the stochastic, it looks really promising, guys. So I will enter a long position on pound yen. Let me also check the 5-minute chart. The parabolics have turned bullish. So why not, guys? I will give it a try for a long position. Long position on pound yen. Long. So we have just entered a long position on pound yen. There we are. Let me inform you straightforward about it. Long pound yen at 137.872, stop loss 137.302, and TP 138.222. And the last pair I will monitor. Let's see if it is worth it for a long or short position. Okay, the 1 hour chart looks very promising. Let me go for short positions. 15-minute chart gives contradicting results. 5-minute chart gives contradicting results. Okay, I will wait for that. So for the moment, we have initiated 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pairs. I'm long using the hedging system, guys. I'm long Aussie dollar, stop loss at 0.71402, stop loss 0.7832, and TP 0.71752. I'm also long euro yen at 123.817, stop loss 123.247, and TP 124.167. I'm long euro dollar at 1.14385, stop loss 1.13815, TP 1.14735. I'm long pound yen at 137.872, stop loss 137.302, and take profit 138.322. I'm long the Kiwi, New Zealand USD at 0.67639, stop loss 0.67069, and TP 0.67989. I'm shorting the Loonie dollar CAD at 1.33576, stop loss 1.34146, and TP 1.33226. I'm shorting the dollar CHF at 0.9832, stop loss 0.9889, TP 0.9797. I'm still waiting for confirmation to trade on USD CAD, USD Yen, and Pound Aussie. So these 3 pairs, we need to wait a bit more. As soon as I get the confirmations, I will trade them. So these are the pairs I'm trading for the moment. Before I give a pass to a leave, let me see the economic calendar. Always we are monitoring the news. Long position is buy, Solomon, and short position is sell. Long is buy and short is sell. Okay, all clear now? Now, don't forget that we are monitoring the news from forexlive.com. We see some important announcements, not so important announcements for the European Union, Centix investor confidence and retail sales. And in the afternoon, we have ISM non-manufacturing and factory orders for the United States and IV Purchasing Manager Index, 3 p.m. UTC time for the Canadian dollar. So, not important announcements for the moment. I'm giving a pass to a leaf for the European indices.
Thank you, Kyriakos. Hello, everybody. Good morning. Nice to have you all here at Trademy.com live trading session. As you already saw in our chat function, I put already one trade on gold. I bought gold at 1,291.58 and I put a take profit at 1,291.59. The reason why I put this trade, let me see, I will explain you in 2 minutes. I see a nice possibility on DAX, guys. Guys, I see a perfect possibility on DAX. I'm going short on DAX. There we go. I just opened a short position on DAX. I'm short on DAX, and the reason why I see this short position is, you see here, the daily chart shows a drop. On the 1 hour chart, we see we had a move up and we had since 1 hour pull back. When we go on the 5 minutes chart, we see a permanent drop of DAX. So now that there is a pullback, I went short. So we are short on DAX. Our gold trade start to rally. We almost paid off the spread. The reason why I went on gold long, it's similar. We see on the daily chart on gold a move up. You see today the move is very strong up. On Friday it dropped extremely. It dropped almost $25 on Friday after we had the NFP and we had the meeting of Janet Yellen, Bernanke, and Jerome Powell. And today it's catching up. Gold is in a very strong uptrend since weeks. It's going in a very, very strong uptrend. And today it gained already. Gold gained already today. Let me see how much it gained. It gained already 85. It opened at 85 and now at 92 was the day's high. So it gained already $7 today. And we had this pullback and now it's pushing again up. So we went long. That's our second trade today. Our first trade on gold, second trade on DAX. And let's see also Italy 40 if we have a nice possibility on Italy 40. Here we see an uptrend. Nice one. In the 1 hour, we had a pullback. Let me see, guys. I might go long on DAX. On Italy 40, it looks very strong, like a long trade. Extremely like a long trade. Yes, guys, we will go long. It's unusual that we go short on DAX and long on Italy 40. We don't do that very often. Normally, the indices, they move in similar patterns, but today it looks like DAX is totally drop and Italy 40 is up. So we go long on Italy 40. We just opened a long position on Italy 40, so we have 3 positions open. We are long on gold, we are short on DAX, and long on Italy 40, because look at this picture. Look at this picture, guys. On Friday, Italy 40 made us huge profits. We made on Italy 40 and on DAX on Friday, huge profits. Then in the afternoon, we made really nice profits on USA 30. And today it's moving nicely. DAX started to make us nice profits. Let's go to gold. Gold has a more pullback. And since that is a pullback, I will enter again. I will enter again a long position on DAX. It's pulling back and it's time for me to enter. Let me see. Guys, I'm buying again gold. I just entered again a gold position. So now I have 2 positions open on gold and I will put the same take profit. I increased. Hello, Saski. Hello, nice to have you here. I am on DAX. I am short. So, and I'm making right now money on DAX. So I'm going to go for a take profit at 1,291.95. And the next position on gold, because you know I go always with 3 positions. The next position I will open most probably here on the lower Bollinger Band, but I need to wait for a confirmation from my stochastic oscillator. Currently, it still shows a drop. If it goes close to my lower Bollinger Band and I get a confirmation from my stochastic oscillator, guys, then I will open another 20 lots on gold. This is what I will do. You know, on Friday, we didn't trade gold at all because we were so busy with all the other trades. Gold, we were not trading. And today, maybe gold is the golden heaven of us. So on DAX, we are making now $400. That's wonderful how it drops. Let's see. Let's see, guys, where we will put our take profit. This is the low which we are aiming. Hello, Hobie. Hobie just joined us. Welcome. Let me write down the position of DAX. On DAX, my take profit will be at the previous low. The previous low is below 10,700. This I will not aim. I will aim 10,715, a bit higher than the psychological level of 700. And I will aim something like $1,900 on this trade. And it looks really, really nice. Now, let's go to Italy 40. We have a drop on Italy 40. But it's a very, very minor drop. It's a very minor drop, and I'm thinking even to increase my exposure. What do you think, guys? You see, on Italy 40, it's always the same behavior. Let's take it a bit further down. This is the low level. This is the high level currently on this hourly, on this chart. Let me see. So it will come here to this level and reverse back up. So when it comes to that level, we go again long and we will get it. Let me put the pending order to that level. There we go. We are almost there. I will wait 2 more minutes on Italy 40 and I will, there we go. I just opened again a position on Italy 40. So guys, let me write down my positions. I have currently three assets. I'm trading currently on 3 assets. On Italy 40, I have 2 positions open. And I am on both long And I entered at different levels, but my take profit, I didn't put a take profit on them. Let's put a take profit. My take profit is at 18,920 is my take profit. And also on this one, my take profit is 18,920. There we go. So, guys, on Italy 40, we are long. We have two long positions on Italy 40, and our take profit is at 18,920. Our take profit, because as you can see, it is a clustering. It's the day's high, and it is the Bollinger Band. So it's a clustering of two signals which are showing me a clear clustering. That's my take profit. Then I am short on DAX. I entered a short position on DAX at 10,748.93. My take profit is at 10,715, and currently we are making $1,000 on it. Guys, get ready. We are very close to hit our take profit over here, and we have two gold positions. We are short, and we entered at 1,291. We entered at two different positions, so I don't write the entry levels, and the exit level is at 1,291.58. So guys, let's have a look on DAX, and maybe we can close this position without hitting a take. Oh no, I will wait for my take profit. It's so close to my take profit. Currently we are making $1,032, and we are just 10 points away. We are just 10 points away from our take profit. So I will leave it run. It will be our first trade for the morning. We didn't close any position yet, and it looks nice. It looks nice. Look, the hourly chart shows a downtrend. ADX is showing a downtrend. 15 minutes chart is showing a downtrend. This is what we want. This is how we like it, right, guys? Nice, nice, nice. And also gold started to move in our favor. Let me see. We had a nice entry. Okay. You see, guys, I told you that I might increase the third time my exposure on gold, but I need confirmations. I want that my stochastic oscillator goes below 20. This is the first requirement, and the second requirement is that if it goes below 20 and it crosses that, it's a bullish candle on the Bollinger Band, on the lower Bollinger Band, and both are not the case yet. So I don't go for my third position. I still wait on gold for my third position, but it will be okay. Soon we will get there. That's why I put gold position over here. This is Italy 40. On Italy 40, we put a hourly chart, a 5 minutes chart, and on DAX. Very nice. When DAX is moving like that, let's directly check also France 40. Wow. Guys, look at France 40. It's so nice. I have to enter also a France 40 position. I have to enter a France 40 position. I am selling France 40, guys. Just sold France 40. It's such a nice downtrend. Guys, look at this. Such a nice, sharp move down. Let's define also our take profit here. My take profit on France 40 will be at 4,700. 4,701 is going to be my take profit. You see, it's the previous low here. And we will get there soon. So it's our next trade. Let's see, back to gold. Gold, we have to see on gold because I'm expecting here a further entry level. Not ready yet, but soon we will get there. Soon we will get there. As I said, we are looking for a bullish candle on the lower Bollinger Band, and I am looking for a crossover below 20 at my stochastic oscillator. Then I will go for my next trade. So on France 40, I am short. I opened that position at 4,716.53. And my take profit on this position is at 4,701. This is my position for France 40, and you see I might move my take profit a bit higher than this level because this is, let's see how fast we will get. We will move on, and then I will take action over there. But it looks very, very nice move down, very, very straightforward. Look at this. Look here at our hourly chart, how strong the drop is. It's a nice one. I can even think here to apply a positive stop loss. I can even think about a positive stop loss. Let the profits to run a bit more, and then I will discuss about the positive stop loss. So that's the idea. Let's go now shortly to Kyriakos to see how his trades are moving. I see that he put some new trades, and then we will come back to see what happened with my open position. So
thank you very much, Elif, for the pass, guys. So here at Forex, as usual, we have traded the 10 major pairs that I'm trading. We have entered a long position on Aussie dollar. Let's go to Aussie dollar to see how it's performing on the 5-minute chart. We see some contradicting results regarding parabolics and stochastics. RSI is climbing nicely. If we go to the longer time frames, the picture is much more clearer. The 15-minute chart clearly indicates an upside breakout on Aussie dollar. That's why I have entered a long position. The pair has opened today close to 71 and is now trading 34 pips above 71. We have a bullish cross of the moving average of 10 periods above the middle Bollinger Band. We have bullish parabolics. The pair is trading well above its 50 moving average. And the stochastic is slowly dropping, but is above 80, guys. And when it is above 80, it's a very strong bullish breakout, okay? Now, the second position. We have entered a long position on Euro Yen, and we see that the pair is a bit of a mess today, but during the last 2 hours, it seems that it has gained a bullish momentum, guys. So that's why I have entered long positions by monitoring the 15-minute chart. Also, the parabolics are indicating a bullish attitude, and I like the accumulation and the upward sloping of the short-term MAs, MA10, middle Bollinger Band, and also MA50. So it seems that, and based on what I see on the stochastic, it seems that we will observe an upside breakout if RSI manages to break above the 60 level. So I go for it. I will give it a try for a long position. The stochastic indicates an upside breakout, so we will see, and I'm quite confident that this trade will result in a straightforward profit. Next one, Euro Dollar. Upon analyzing this morning, we have identified the support level at 114.10. I like the fact that the MA50 is very close to MA200. It indicates technically that a big movement is on its way when these two moving averages are very close to each other. A bit of overbought conditions on stochastic and RSI, but nothing to worry about. On the 15-minute chart, the parabolics are still bullish. The same, I think, is the same attitude on the 5-minute chart. It's accumulating for a further upside movement. Most probably we will hit our TP straightforward on this trade as well. Currently we are making on Euro Dollar $270. However, my best performing trade for the moment is my long position on Pound Aussie. Again, despite this morning's decline, the pair, it seems that is regaining its bullish momentum. Bullish parabolics on the 5-minute chart. Stochastic entered oversold territory and gave a buy signal exactly here, which was combined by a bullish parabolic. Now, the only obstacle is for RSI to break above 60. Worms Forrester, it looks like Pound Yen about to hit stop loss. Well, Pound Yen is making us $700 for the moment. Nowhere is not close to hit stop loss. Williams, have in mind that I'm using the hedging system. Okay, the hedging system, if the market moves against me by a certain amount of pips, I'm not hitting stop loss, I'm reversing the position to the opposite direction. So as you can see, I'm long and I have a sell stop order here. If the market reaches to this point, I will go short with a bigger position size. So we are clear, we are near to hit stop loss on Pound Yen. Actually, the pounds are my best performers. We are making $1,300 on Pound Aussie. We are making $1,250 on Pound Dollar. They are climbing to the upside. No, we haven't shorted it. We have entered a long position. Let me confirm that. As you can see in the chart, here I said long, William, but it's okay. If you have made an error, it's okay. These things happen, so no worries at all. So, we are long Pound Aussie, we are long Pound Yen, we are long Pound Dollar, which is climbing nicely. It has touched now the upper Bollinger Band and a small decline on the price, but it will continue, most probably will continue to go up. Let's go to the Kiwi. Very nice setup on the Kiwi, guys. A nice upside momentum. And we are getting ready, guys, to hit our first TP for the day. Green lights on Pound Aussie. Let's see if we will get our first straightforward position on Pound Aussie. We are aiming for $2,496. Pound Aussie is rising nicely, as you can see on the 5-minute chart. And we are just a few pips away from hitting our TP. Moving on to dollar CAD, we have entered a short position on dollar CAD. The pair seems to have broken above the MA50, but we see that now is declining again. So nothing to worry about dollar CAD. We need to see obviously a penetration of today's lows in case we would like to hit TP on that. Dollar CHF, we have entered the short position, already making a bit more than $700. A nice decline, and it seems that this decline will continue. The stochastic, however, it's extremely low, so expect an upside correction. However, the majority of the signals are indicating a further decline, so nothing to worry about this as well. Dollar yen in a range. Why I have entered short? Because the pair is trading below the moving average of 200 periods on the 5-minute chart with bearish parabolics. And also on the 15-minute chart, the pair has very strong resistance area here. We have the upper Bollinger Band, we have the MA50, we have the short-term MAs, a symmetrical triangle, and this is important, guys, for those of you who are studying price patterns. This is called a symmetrical triangle. Do you know what a symmetrical triangle is, guys? Have you learned from your training programs what is a symmetrical triangle? Basically, a symmetrical triangle is a continuation pattern, okay? If it is preceded by a downside move and the symmetrical triangle is completed to the downside, this means I need to see a close below the blue line here. It means that the bearish trend will continue, okay? Symmetrical triangle is when we have two converging lines. In other words, we have lower tops and rising bottoms, converging lines. They are converging. They are not diverging, they are converging. So we have a symmetrical triangle based on technical analysis and probability trading. Most probably, this symmetrical triangle, it will be confirmed if we see a close below the low line of the triangle, and the downtrend will continue. Now, we are approaching the TP of pound Aussie. We are just 5 pips away from our take profit, guys. Let's see if this will be our first profitable trade for the day. Just 5 pips away. We are aiming for $2,495 on our pound Aussie position. We haven't closed any positions yet. We are just 48 minutes in the trading session, and the best performer for the moment is the pound Aussie trade. We are making a bit more than $2,000. And if the market continues to go up, I believe we will shortly hit our TP on pound Aussie. We are just 2 pips away now from the take profit. There we go. 1 pip now away. There we go, guys. We just hit our first take profit for the day. The first $2,495 are in my pocket, and I believe we will have more TPs on the pounds since we have entered long positions. Let's go to pound dollar. Pound dollar is rising nicely, making us some nice money. Pound yen is also making us money. So for the moment, we have closed our first position for the day, $2,495. And it seems that the pounds will be very promising today for further upside movement for the moment. So, how about you guys? Has anyone traded pound Aussie with me? Have you traded pounds? Have you placed any positions? Again, be careful with your initial position sizes. We are using the hedging system. If your initial position size is 0.02, and I write here a reverse, it means that the first reversal, you will need to open at 0.04. If I say reverse again, you will need to open 0.07, and you utilize stop loss and TPs the same as I did. Now, suppose that you have just opened your PC. Which trades are you allowed to follow me? If you see 2 trades on a single pair, you always use the largest position size to follow. For the moment, I haven't reversed a single position. If you see a trade there losing more than $1,000, minus 1,000 and more losses, it's beneficial for you to follow that trade. It's not beneficial to follow me now on pound dollar, simply because if you follow me now, the market has already moved up, and if you utilize this stop loss and this TP, your reward to risk ratios will not be efficient, and you will be in a much disadvantaged position. So in other words, you need to wait and see a minus $1,000 amount here. And if you see that, then you can open this position. If it goes well, even if it is reverses, you get the advantage, you get a better entry level price than what I did. So we are monitoring pound dollar for the moment. Currently is making me $1,600. For pound dollar, we are aiming $3,500. And also pound yen is making me nice money. For pound yen, we are aiming another $3,235. So that's all I have for the moment. I will give a pass to Elif, and if I have any updates, I will let you know. Elif, we are back to you. Wait, Elif, wait, because yes, we will hit TP on pound yen. Guys, a sudden upside jump on the pounds. No, they calm down. So sorry, Elif, we are to you.
No problem, Kyriakos, anytime. So here on the indices, the market moves quite okay, but not as strong as I'm expecting it. Not as strong as I'm expecting it, but still it's okay. We have small pullbacks, and then we have again strong up movements and down movements. Let's say on France 40, we reached a certain positive side. We paid off the spread and reached a positive side. Now it's again a pullback situation, and it will come down again. DAX is moving nicely. On DAX, we are very close to hit our take profit. Our take profit on DAX is set to $1,900. Currently, we are making $1,500 on DAX, so it's just a matter of time until we hit take profit over there. Also, now we are back into positive area on France 40. On gold, the market moves nicely. Look here, gold. Where is our gold trade here? Let's go closer and I will explain you. As I said, I was looking for a next entry level to be a bullish candle on that lower Bollinger Band and a cross below 20. It didn't happen. It didn't happen yet. It's to the lower Bollinger Band we didn't reach. The cross was above 20 level, so I didn't enter my third position, but the market will move slowly up. If I enter now the position, I will get a worse price than my second position over here. That's why I will not enter a second position here. I will wait and get more. Only on Italy 40, we are struggling a bit. Guys, on France 40, we are making $200. It dropped strongly. On DAX, we are still at $1,600, $1,500. Very soon we hit our take profit over there. I'm expecting very soon here our take profit. Otherwise, I might close it manually and see what happens. The only trade which makes us a bit tough time is Italy 40. Let me see. We don't have a clear trend yet here, but let's see, it will develop and we will take actions. We have two big losing positions currently on Italy 40, but it's something which we will recover. So let's go to DAX and see if we will close the position before we close the trading session. We are making $1,633 right now on DAX, but the market is clear. The market is clear. We will get this take profit. Look at this. We need just to be a bit patient. Shall we go for a... Guys, you know what? I will adjust my take profit. I will take it a bit lower. It's such a nice movement. I don't want to close this position from now. I will take it down to 10,705. So my take profit here will be at $2,500. It's a nice one. By the way, gold started to be in profit. France 40 is in profit. I moved my take profit on DAX to 10,705. And I will put a positive stop loss. A positive stop loss I will put on DAX. So if the market moves against me, to close this position with a small profit. It's also nice. Right, guys? Yes. So we go here for a positive stop loss. My stop loss will be at 10,730. No, 25. No, it's 25. 45. This is my stop loss. With a small profit, I will get it, and we will see. We will move on, move on, move on. With small profits, we will move on and see. Currently, we are making, again, $1,633, and it's okay. It's okay. We will get there. This market is very clear, very strong, and as much as the market moves, I will move my positive stop loss as well. Nice one. So on gold, we started to make money. Gold is moving up, is moving nicely up. This is what we want. We had this strong drop on gold. We entered, and now it's catching up. France 40, we are making money. France 40 is also a nice setup. Look at this. Look at this. Nothing to do wrong over here. All good. So, guys, did you put any profits? Did you trade any of those positions? If you like to close your positions with a profit right now, feel free. I will still keep them. I put my take profits, and I will observe how the market moves. Yes, George, there is a correlation. There is a negative correlation. If the euro rise, the European indices, they drop. Good morning, Mike. So on the take profit on DAX, the new one is at 10,705. This is the new take profit on DAX, and my stop loss. Saskia, we are short on DAX since 40 minutes, yes. And my stop loss on DAX is at 10,745. And this is what you mean. Between the indices, we see, this is what I was telling you guys when I put a trade on Italy 40 and then on DAX. Normally, if I see that DAX is dropping, normally I can go also a short position on Italy 40. There is a kind of not direct correlation, but the movements are most of the time the same. And that's why I was surprised this morning when I put my Italy 40 position that the technical analysis was showing me on Italy 40 a buy position, and for DAX a very strong sell position. And we went with the technical analysis, and it showed that the correlation was stronger and clearer. However, we will see how Italy 40 will continue, and I might take actions over there. But in general, yes, if DAX drops, also Italy 40 drops, and so on. So on gold, we are making nice movements. I put my take profit on gold, guys. I put my take profit on gold. For both positions at the same level, I'm expecting a profit of approximately $2,500 on gold. On one position, we are making right now $780. On DAX, we are making $1,800. On France 40, we are making $300. So market moves, and this is what we like. Let's give it a bit more time, and then we decide what we will do. Let's give it a bit more time to develop, and also for Italy 40. Guys, on Italy 40, I will go I will go short on Italy 40. I just shorted Italy 40, and I will put my take profit at this level. The market shows me a short now, and we will see what we will do with the long positions on Italy 40. But now it's very clear short position. So I will go. Oh no, I entered in a very bad price. However, let's see. My take profit on Italy 40 short is at 18,790. I entered in a relatively bad position, but okay. We see how the market will move on, and we take decisions. So we are now hedged on Italy 40, not fully hedged, but still we get there. On gold, on the one position, we are making $1,000. Nice one, gold is moving nice. Shall we close this position to make some profit, guys? We didn't close any positions this morning, so maybe it's time. What do you think? I will close one position on gold. Here we go. I just closed the position on gold. $1,020. Nice one. Our first position this morning. And we go for more. We have another one position running on gold. There we go. We hit another take profit. No, we didn't. No, we didn't. So gold is moving nicely, guys. We might come very close to the take profit here. DAX is nice. Yeah, it's nice. It's nice. It's nice. It's nice. So on DAX, we are making right now $1,900. On France 40, we are making money. And we are making money also on gold. We are making money $200 on gold. If gold drops further down, I will enter again a position, guys. Just have it in mind. We closed already one position. If that gold drops again, we enter again. Mike, I do trade silver as well, but not right now because silver movements are very slow. Silver movements are slow. That's why I trade silver only when I have a clear trend. When I have a clear trend, I open a position and let it run, and that's okay with me. But right now, it's going a bit up. It's ranging a bit. That's why I don't open it. Guys, get ready. We hit another take profit on gold, $1,850. We increased our position, our profits. Our profits to 2,870, and that's the perfect price. So, Mike, you are asking what should I buy now or sell? Mike, the thing is, you have to check the perfect timing. You can't just wake up and say, okay, now I want to buy this. You have to check first and then enter. Okay, you have to look for the opportunities. So when we start at 11 o'clock or at 9 o'clock GMT, We check the markets and accordingly we put the trades. We don't just enter. Let's say this trade I entered half an hour after we started the live trading session. So you need time to analyze the markets and then put a trade. Not just, okay, now I put something. It's wrong in that way. You analyze the markets and according to the situation, you put a trade. So what we will do now, we have France 40, we have DAX which are profiting. Okay. And then we have also Italy 40 which are not profiting. Now we will look on gold. Mike, we are looking now on gold. When gold moves in a certain, let me see. In a short while, I might enter again gold. That's why, but not now. In a short while. In a short while, I will enter again gold, but you have to wait a bit. Not now. Let's go to Kyriakos to see how the Forex trades are doing, and then we come back and check what's happening with gold.
Thank you very much for the pass relief. So the Forex trades, guys, are still developing. We didn't see any significant movements apart from the pound Aussie trade, which closed with TP. As you can see, all of the trades are more or less at the point where we have opened the positions, triple figures, losses and profits on all the trades. They didn't move substantially since our last connection here. So for your reference and using the hedging system, if you would like to follow me, Aussie dollar is a good opportunity now, since I'm losing more than $1,000 on that. If you enter now a long position on Aussie dollar, you will get a better price than what I did, and your reward to risk ratios will be much better than mine. Remember that if you would like to follow me on any of the positions, you need to use and utilize this Excel spreadsheet, which can be available through your personal account managers. What is the purpose of this? Is to calculate the next reversal position size only. The entry levels, the stop losses, and the TPs can be found here on the live trading room. So, Mike, to answer your question, if you would like to follow me now on a long position on Aussie dollar, you decide on your initial position size, let's say 0.01. You can open a 0.01 position, or if you want 0.10, depending on your account balances and your margin requirements. But if you see here reverse to short, it means that this position has reversed to short. So you need to short it. From long, you need to go short at the same time. And this is the equivalent corresponding position size. Now, if you would like to know more about this system, or if you would like to have, for any reason, a one-to-one session with us, I would like to remind you of the procedure of having one-to-one sessions. Remember that the trading room is not just to copy trades, it's also primarily for educational purposes. You are the only ones responsible for your trading accounts, guys. So be careful of your leverage, be careful of your margin requirements. We are just showing here how we are trading. If you would like to follow us on any position, you can do it, but be careful with your risk management. Now, one-to-one sessions, you can arrange one-to-one session either with myself, Kyriakos, or with my colleague Elif through your personal account manager at Trademy.com. So you need to contact your personal account managers, and on the one-to-one sessions, we can do a lot of things together, guys. We can show you how to trade. If you have some theories in your training programs that are not clearly understood, or if you would like to see them, how we apply them to practice, you need to come to a one-to-one session with us. One thing is taken for granted. One-to-one sessions can take your trading skills, practical trading skills, forget about theory, practical trading skills to the next level. So that's all I wanted to say for the moment. The pairs are slowly moving. If I have any updates, I will let you know. We're approaching the end of the morning session. Stay with us. Some educational webinars will follow. And if we have any updates or if you have any questions, just type them in the chat room and we can either answer them in the chat room or go live and answer them. So we are here for you the whole day. And let me check if Elif has any more updates. No, Elif. Okay, that's the end of the morning session. We are here for you. You can contact us via the chat room. See you in a short while. Thank you.
Okay, guys, I'm back. We are monitoring pound yen position. That's a straightforward position we have open in the morning, guys. Currently is making us a bit more than $2,000. And we can see that pound yen is climbing to the upside. And is approaching fastly our take profit target. So we are just a few pips away from our TP target, and you're monitoring pound yen chart. Let's see if we will manage to close our second position for the day. We are aiming for $3,229 for that. If we do that, we will increase our profits to a bit more than $5,500. So we are monitoring the charts and I will let you know. Also, guys, just an announcement that just came in. We are offering, Trademy is offering 10% discount off today to all training packages, guys. So if you buy a new training program today, or if you want to upgrade your existing training program to a higher level training program, 10% discount just for today on all training packages, guys. Did you hear that? Just type yes or no, because that's a great opportunity, guys. I would like to repeat that. 10% discount on all training packages just for today. We will repeat that a lot of times during our session. This is a unique opportunity for you who would like to take your trading skills to the next level, to upgrade your training program and get and enjoy this 10% discount, which is only valid for today. 10% discount on all training programs. Good morning, Mike, and I'm glad you are joining us here. You need IHAB. If you would like to upgrade your training program, you need to contact your account manager. They are all aware of the 10% discount. No need to mention any coupon or codes. Just contact your account managers and they will be more than glad to guide you through the process of upgrade your training programs. 10% discount on all training programs just for today. We will keep telling you this throughout the session. So if you'd like to upgrade your training programs, you need to contact your personal account managers at Trademy.com. We will keep you posted on that. 10% discount, guys. Amazing. Take advantage of it. Thank you. Okay, guys, I'm back. We are monitoring the pound yen chart. As you can see, the trade is developing nicely and is approaching its take profit target at 138.322, guys. We are just 7 pips away now from our TP. If we close that trade, that will be the second trade for today. We are aiming for $3,230 more or less, straightforward position. We are monitoring the pound yen chart. Let's switch to the 5-minute chart. And as we can see, the pair has cleared out these small tops, minor tops, is going up when we are just less than 8 pips away from our take profit target. Nice setup on parabolics, on the moving averages, but we need on the stochastic as well. This cross above 80 is very strong. But we need to be patient, and soon I believe we will hit our take profit on pound yen. So I will keep you posted about that. We are just 10 pips, less than 10 pips away from our TP. Let's see what will happen in a few minutes. Thank you. So guys, we are very close now to hit our TP. We are less than 5 pips away from our take profit price. We want the bid price to go to 222. Currently it's at 168. Are you watching this, guys? That will be the second trade for the day, for me at least. I repeat that we are aiming for this trade. Our monetary target profit is $3,230. If we hit that, we will increase our profits to approximately $6,000 for the day. Let's see if we will manage and hit our TP at the end. Thank you. Okay, guys, we are less than 5 pips to hit our take profit on pound yen. We are monitoring the chart. Pound yen is rising nicely. Monetary target for this position is $3,230. And we are very close now to hit our take profit. Less than 5 pips. So we are monitoring the chart and we will see what will happen, guys. We are very close. We are very close to hit our TP on pound yen. Thank you.
Okay, guys, just a few pips again away from pound yen TP. Let's see if this time we'll manage to hit our TP on pound yen. It troubled us a lot today, guys. Less than 4 pips away from the take profit now on pound yen. Now, regarding the remaining of the positions, our long position on euro yen is making us money. Our long position on euro dollar is making us money. Our long position on pound dollar is making us money. We are already getting ready to hit TPs on pound yen. Pound dollar is making money, as I have mentioned. Dollar CAD is making money. Dollar CHF is making money, guys. 95% of the positions are making us money, so that's good. But so far, we have only managed to close one position, pound Aussie in the morning, live here with Trademy.com. And we are patiently waiting for the remaining of the positions to get the right direction and eventually close our trades with TPs. Pound yen is still troubling us. We are just 35 minutes away from the afternoon live trading session. We are missing less than 5 pips to hit our TP on pound yen. You see the correction, now the rebound, V reversal here on the 15-minute chart. Let's see if we will manage to hit that trade with a TP. Thank you. Okay, traders, get ready for TPs on pound yen, just one pip away from the take profit level price. We are monitoring the 5-minute chart of the 15-minute chart of pound yen. Let's switch to the 5-minute chart. We are very close to hit our TP now, less than 3 pips, 2.2 pips to be more accurate. Hello, I am. And welcome to the session. Nice to have you on board, guys, all of you. We are monitoring now our position of long 10 lots pound yen. Our entry level price was 137.872 and our take profit is at 138.322. Currently it's at 196. Slowly we are marching towards our take profit level. If we hit TP, then I'm expecting this number to increase to about $5,500 for the day. Currently we are up $2,495 from our profitable long position on pound Aussie in the morning. Currently we are making almost $3,000 from pound yen. We are making $1,600 from euro yen. We are making $1,300 from euro dollar. We are making $2,360 from pound dollar. We are making $1,100 from dollar CAD. We are making $2,365 From dollar CHF, the majority of the trades, as you can see, are in profit. Serious money, guys, now, but pound yen is simply resisting to hit our TP. So we need to be patient, and eventually we will get it, guys. We are less than 3 pips away from our take profit level. I don't believe that this candle was the high of the day. So all indicators are showing bullish attitude, including moving averages, parabolics, RSI, stochastics. So we just need a little jump to the upside and we will hit our target. We are less than 2 pips now away from our take profit. Our monetary target from this position, as I have mentioned many times, guys, is $3,231. So we are missing a few bucks and we will hit the TP, guys. Let's see. We want this number to go to 322. Currently is 197. Let's see. Okay, guys, we just hit our TP on pound yen, and we have increased our daily profits to $3,231 for the day, a nice one. However, as you can see, we still have more positions running, and we are getting ready also to hit TP on our euro yen position. So let's go straight to euro yen, and dollar CHF is getting ready to hit TP. I think it's take profit time, guys, here at the Forex trading desk of Trademy.com. Euro yen is climbing nicely to the upside. We are aiming for another $3,230 from that trade. Currently, we have closed long position on pound Aussie and long positions on pound yen. Our profits for the day have increased to $5,727. We are monitoring now our long position on euro yen, and also pound dollar is getting ready to hit our TP, and dollar CHF is getting ready to hit our TP. So it's a nice consensus here, guys. Green colors, and we like green colors. We are just 6 pips away from our take profit on euro yen. So let's monitor euro yen now. It's climbing to the upside nicely. If we hit TP, we are aiming for another $3,230 on that position. So $3,230 on euro yen. We are aiming for $3,500 on pound dollar. And if we close also dollar CHF, which is highly probable, that's another $3,568. So we have more or less, guys, on the table now $10,000 of profits. Let's see if we will manage and close them during our afternoon live trading session, starting in approximately 15 minutes from now. Thank you. Okay, guys, just a few minutes before the beginning of our trading session. As you can see, we have green lights here at the Forex trading desk, and we are very close to hit our take profit on euro yen primarily, and then on the second occasion we were close to hit our TP on pound dollar and dollar CHF. So the price now of the bid price of euro yen has declined now a bit to 124.126. As you can see, it's troubling me a bit, but as I said before, the momentum of the indicators is very bullish. I don't believe that this is the high of the day. So most probably we will see an upside jump on euro yen and we will hit our take profit. Now, let's see who is with us today in the afternoon session, which has just started. Hello, Friedrich from Iceland. Nice to have you on board, guys. Always nice to have new people in our trading room. So let's see who else is with us today. So I see with us today is Adrian. Good afternoon, Adrian. I see with us today is Alan. Good afternoon, Alan. Hello, Ayam. And correct me if I'm pronouncing your name wrong. Hello, Dan. Guys, green lights. Hello, Francis. Hello, Fred. Good afternoon, Friedrich. Hello, George. How are you today? Hello, Nuno. Welcome. Hello, Haresh. Good afternoon, Hobby. Good afternoon, Ihab. Hello, Jeff, Jenna, and Mary. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, Masood. Welcome. Welcome to our live trading session. Hello, Mike. Good afternoon. Hello, Nuno. Hello, Patrick. Hello, Rachel. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, Ihab. So, guys, here we have placed some trades. I see also that Winston has also joined us. Winston Smith, welcome. Winston in our live trading room. So, guys, the afternoon session has officially started. Let me go through the positions that we have placed since the morning and are still running, guys. So as you can see, we have closed our long position on pound Aussie with a straightforward profit of $2,496, and also we have closed our long position on pound yen, straightforward position with $3,231. Currently I am up for the day $5,727. However, as you can see, some trades are getting closer to hit TPs. Let's start with our long position on Aussie dollar, currently losing us some money, $750. We are looking on the 5-minute chart, guys. So let's go a bit more higher time frames. We are in the trading range conditions, nothing to worry about, guys. The pair is trading close to the daily highs. So we will keep an eye on that and we will decide accordingly. Next one, we have a long position on Euro Yen, which on the 15-minute chart looks really bullish. I think it's the same situation on the 5-minute chart. New daily highs for the Euro Yen, guys, and above 144. So it has cleared the round number of 124, and this increases substantially our chances of hitting another straightforward TP. Actually, we are less than 3 pips away from our take profit price level, and the monetary target of this position is $3,230. So we are 2 pips now away from our take profit target. So let's switch to the 1-minute chart of Euro Yen. There we go, guys. Get ready for TP. 0.3 pips away. Just 0.3 pips more and we will get there. There we go, guys. We just got the money. We have just closed our positions on Euro Yen. Another $3,229 ended in my pocket. And we are up for the day to $8,956. A nice one. Let's see, guys. There is more. There is more coming. I think pound dollar is getting ready now to hit our TP, and dollar CHF is making us some nice money, guys. So let's see. Pound dollar. How many pips are we missing from the TP pound dollar? We are just 8 pips away from pound dollar and just 4 pips away from dollar CHF. Let's go to pound dollar, guys. This is pound dollar. We are aiming for $3,500 on pound dollar. And let's see dollar CHF. We are short and it's falling nicely. I think we will close first dollar CHF. We are just 5 pips away from our take profit price. That's another $3,500, guys. So we are on a very good path. Dollar CHF is now breaking through the 98 round number. We just need to cover the spread. Since we are short, we want the ask price of dollar CHF, this price. If we are short, we are closing on the ask price to fall down to 97.97, guys. Currently it's 98.03. We want it to fall down to 97.97. Also, pound dollar, we have long positions, a bit of accumulation here, but I believe it will soon rise to the upside. And believe it or not, guys, we have $7,000 more or less will come in our pockets in a few minutes, guys. So if we hit TP on this, then we might increase our profits for the day to above $16,000. Let's see if we will manage to do it. Moreover, We have a long position on the QE, and we have a long position on euro dollar, guys. We forgot about euro dollar, and it's making us more than $2,000. Okay, euro dollar is performing very nice, and I like what I see on the 5-minute chart. We have a long position on the QE, which literally doesn't move at all. So we need to be patient. We have also a short position on dollar CAD. On the 5-minute chart, it looks promising, but on the 15-minute chart is more or less of a trading range. We are short, we are in the money. We will see how we will handle this in a while. And we have reversed to long positions on dollar yen. Currently is more or less where we bought it, guys. So my eyes and my concentration now is on dollar CHF. Since we are approaching the TP of the straightforward short position, that's another $3,570, and we are just missing 5 pips away from the take profit level price. Also, our long position on pound dollar is making us some money. Now it has declined a bit, but we are getting there. So more or less, we are making a nice progress here, guys. We are monitoring now my screen. Let me put the 5-minute chart of dollar CHF. So how many of you guys have traded today the pairs with me? How many of you have placed any trades? Have you made some money from Forex trading today? Don't be afraid to push the buttons, guys. Make sure you use the Excel spreadsheet I have provided for proper position sizing. Although today this Excel was not so much needed, because as you can see, out of the 10 Forex pairs, only one reversed. All the others are straightforward positions, and that is my aim. My aim is not to reverse all the time. My aim is to get straightforward, crystal clear, profitable positions. And today, it seems that we are doing very well. We have already closed 3 straightforward positions, almost $9,000 of profit. So you have traded dollar CHF Francis. I think you are making nice money, right? I'm making almost $3,100 for the moment. If at any point you feel comfortable with the profits or uncomfortable with the losses, you can close your trades at any time you wish, guys. Don't wait for me to close them. I have a strategy, I'm following it. Maybe you have a different strategy. Maybe you are satisfied with $1,000 profit. Maybe you are satisfied with $800 profit. You can close the position as you wish. I'm just leaving it, I'm letting it run. And for dollar CHF particularly, I'm 10 lots short, and I'm aiming for $3,570. We are now 5 pips away. The pair is declining nicely. Now, we have the round number of 98. I'm expecting it will trouble me a bit. So what I will do, guys, maybe I will close it. $3,000 cashed in, closed. I have just closed dollar CHF. There is no need to risk the round number for a few bucks. We have just cashed in $3,000 from dollar CHF, and we have raised our profits for the day to $12,027. Nice one, guys. We still have a lot of trades running. Next one is pound dollar. Nice accumulation here, and I believe we will soon hit TP also on pound dollar. Also, euro dollar is doing very nice today, guys. It's climbing to the upside, and we are getting closer and closer to our take profit target. So, regarding news announcements, as I have mentioned in the morning as well, we don't have the crucial news announcements that will cause crazy volatility in the market. Remember that we are monitoring the news from forexlive.com. There is euro dollar. I like what I see on euro dollar, guys. Forexlive.com. Basically, we are expecting ISM non-manufacturing PMI and factory orders for the United States dollar at 3 p.m. UTC time, and at the same time, we are waiting IV Purchasing Managers Index For the Canadian dollar, euro dollar is climbing to the upside, guys, and I absolutely love what I see here. Currently, we are making on both pound dollar and euro dollar $5,500 together. We are aiming for $3,500 for each one. So this means that we have $7,000 to gain from these two positions. And it's like a rally who will climb first. Amazing, guys. Look at the numbers here. Pound dollar and euro dollar are making a competition. Which one will hit my TP first? That's amazing, guys. That's amazing. Let's see if we will manage to hit the TPs on both of them almost at the same time, I would say. So $7,000 on the table from euro dollar and pound dollar, 10 lots long each position. If we hit TP, guys, that's 7,000. We will increase to our profits to a bit less than 20,000 for the day, $19,000. Let's see if we will manage and do that. So we are monitoring now live our positions on euro dollar and pound dollar. For me, it's like a competition who will go up faster. $3,000 on pound dollar. It seems that pound dollar is outperforming in this moment the euro dollar. So let's go straight to pound dollar. Guys, we are just 2 pips away from another 3,500. There we go, guys. We have just closed our pound dollar position with a take profit, guys, and we have increased our daily profits to $15,527. Now the next one, guys, the next one is not finished yet. The next one is euro dollar. That's another $3,500. Let's see if we will manage and hit our take profit. Guys, are you watching this? I hope you are, because today is a very good day for us here. I hope you have managed to make money as well. Thank you, George. And I hope you have managed to make some money as well. Thank you, Nuno. Let's see, guys, if we will manage. Guys, let's close euro dollar as well. $2,800 in my pockets. Why not? I have just closed also euro dollar. No need to push things up. And guys, look at that. In one day. In one day, actually in 5 hours, $18,327. Tell me another profession that in 5 hours gives you $18,000 of profit. I'm not saying that it's easy, but you are on the right path. You have Trademy, you have your training programs, you have your personal account managers, and you have Elif and myself, Kyriakos, as your mentors. I don't believe that I'm more capable than you. I don't believe that I have more skills than you. However, what I have more than you guys is experience. So what I'm asking you is to take advantage of that experience, come to a one-to-one session, and let's start making money together, guys, okay? So account value is not so important as George, you have mentioned account value. That's not the key factor of success. I mean, even if you have a $10,000 account, if you know how to trade and you make money, you will make money. Don't look the numbers in absolute numbers. Always count your performances in percentage terms, all right? So, exactly, Friedrich, I think you brought me luck. I think you brought me luck. It's your first time here, $18,000. Don't forget that there is an opportunity, guys, to arrange a one-to-one session, either with myself, Kyriakos, or with my colleague, Elif. But there is much more waiting for us, and also we still have positions running, as you can see. We are long Aussie dollar, we are long Kiwi, we have shorted the loonie, and we have reversed to long positions on dollar yen. So out of 10 pairs, we have managed to close pound Aussie with a TP, second trade, pound yen with a TP, third trade, euro yen with a TP, fourth trade, dollar CHF manually closed with a profit 3,070, pound dollar with a TP, and euro dollar manually closed with a take profit. Total for the day, $18,327. But guys, that's not even close to my daily record here at Trademy.com. And you know, guys, what is my daily record? No, you remember what is my daily record, right? So you have seen nothing yet, neither from me nor from Elif. We can do much better. So, thank you, Nuno. Don't mention the number, let it happen again. So, guys, let's see what else we can do, if we can trade anything else, although I don't like to trade two times the same day, the same pairs. So Aussie dollar for the moment is not performing so well. It's a six-figure number, George, but I think you will see it live again. Don't worry if you missed that. So, all right. So let's see. Let me see dollar card. You see, I mean, some pairs are moving nicely, other pairs are not. Losses are part of the game. That's something very important that we need to have in mind. Those of you who were with us the previous week, you remember the day, George, I started with 3 consecutive losses. Even the first trade of 2019, it was a loss. $5,000 on dollar CHF. And then we turned the account positive again, plus $9,000, from -5 to +9. So don't lose your patience. Just stick to the plan. My advice, hide any unrealized balances. Hide them, guys. You don't need to see them. Believe me, they affect you negatively. That's why I'm hiding them. I want to stick to the plan, trust the system, have a nice money management rule and risk management procedures, and you have nothing to be afraid of. Okay? You don't need to stress yourself by looking at unrealized losses, by account balances and whatever. Just hide them, stick to the plan, and let the market work in your favor. So, having said all that, we are approaching the US opening in approximately 15 minutes. Elif, you could like to give us a brief update of your trades and then you come back to me? Okay, let's go to Elif for a brief update and then you come back to me before the US Open. Thank you.
Hello, everybody. Welcome to the afternoon session here at Trademy.com. Welcome also from my side. Nice to have you here. Well, what we have done so far. As you know, in the morning, we put some gold trades. We put France 40, we put DAX, and we put Italy 40 position. On DAX, we put a positive stop loss and it got triggered. We made a small amount of money over there, and just now, like 2 minutes ago, we closed our Italy 40 positions and we made on the one position $1,310 and on the other one $922, and we increased our profit so far to $5,548. We are left with one Italy 40 position, guys. We had one sell on Italy 40. Still running. I will see and let it run until the evening, and then I will take a decision how I will proceed with that one. So let's make a small look. Watch out what is happening. DAX, as you know, it dropped very significantly throughout the day, and we made some profits on it, and now I have to wait a bit more to sell DAX. Guys, I will put a sell limit on DAX because here we go. We put our new order. We are going to a pending order, a sell limit when the price gets to 10,725. We want to sell DAX. This is what we want. And why we want this level, guys, I will explain you. Anybody of you knows why? Anybody knows why I put this as my buy limit, as my sell limit? Anyone has an idea? Okay, because there are two major reasons. First of all, there is a clustering of reversals. Here's the first one, and here's the second one. You see, when it comes to this level, it's dropping. First. Second, it is the level where our Bollinger Band is. Second, so most probably the price will reverse at this level, because it's each time when it reaches this level, it's reversing. This is the first reason. And the second reason, which will power up this effect also, is the fact that here we have our Bollinger Band. Yeah, I was a bit. Sometimes I forget also my words. So here we will have our Bollinger Bands, and it's a clustering. And on top of this, also the fact that our stochastic oscillator is above 80 shows us a possibility. To for a reversal. So Ilhab is asking, so we do long on DAX? No, I said it's a sell limit. It will move up to here, but this movement is so small. If I open now a position, the spread will be already in this high. That's why I don't enter now a long position, because I'm expecting over here a reversal. Yes, it will go up until there, Ilhab, but this is the spread. There is almost nothing to get. There is nothing to get, actually. If I open now a position, the price on which I will open is at 10.721, and I put my sell limit at 25. You know, great. It will go a bit up. I hope that it will hit my my pending order, but at that level it will reverse. This is what I expect. Great. Yes, as Kyriakos already said, a sell limit is a pending order. We have two types of orders, and a pending order and an instant execution. Instant execution means we open right now at this price right now. A pending order is we set a price and we say when the market reaches this price, then do this action. This price might be reached in 2 hours, it might be reached in 3 hours, but when it's reached, this position will get triggered and will get open. If I don't want it at that time, I can still delete it. However, this is a small lesson for now. This is our first trade, first pending order, and then let's look at gold. Gold is crazy since this morning. We went a nice long position. Then in the last hour, it dropped significantly. And now it's trying to catch up again. And I will go on gold, 50 lots up. I just bought gold. You see, Hilhab, I opened here, but the price I opened is up here. You see, this is the green line, which shows at which price I opened because of the spread. So I bought now gold. We see a wonderful move, wonderful drop, and a wonderful reversal. So I went long on gold, guys. And we are already in profit, $1,020, guys. We just opened and we are already in profit. Guys, first trade. Let's close it. What do you think? Let's close it. Our first trade early in the morning, and we close it. What do you think? I think we should close it and open another one. No, we didn't. No, it dropped. Let's wait. Let's wait. Here we go. Okay, let's put a take profit. Let's put a take profit. We are making right now $400, $900. We just opened the trade and we are making already $1,500. Guys, this is a great trade. $1,600. Let's put a take profit. $2,000. Our take profit is at 1,292.50. There we go. This is our take profit, and with this take profit, we are aiming $3,400. Currently, we are making on this trade $1,200. Yes, I will keep this position. Let me see. Until the US market opens, I will keep this position. Yes, guys, Kyriakos just mentioned we have 10% discount only today. Only today, 10% discount on all training programs. On all training courses, we have 10% discount for today. So if you want to upgrade your program, today it's the best day to do so. 10% discount. No, George, the sell position on Italy 40 is not closed yet. It's still running. We closed our buy positions and now we are waiting the market to reverse. And if I get a signal, I will increase my exposure. I'm looking at it, and if I get a clear signal, I will increase my exposure. So just stick a bit more on it and we get it there. So guys, let me see. Gold. Gold is moving nicely. Gold is moving very, very nicely. We are making $1,700. So there's another 3 minutes to go for the US opening. We go shortly to Kyriakos. We are making 2,500. I will close. Okay, good. Let's go shortly to Kyriakos. If my trade comes above $2,000, I will close this gold position just for you to know. We go shortly to Kyriakos to update us about his situation. If there is any updates, Kyriakos, do you have any updates? Yes. And then we will be back right now.
Okay, guys, my situation is as follows. We have 10% discount on all training programs. Are you really going to give up this opportunity, guys? Upgrade your training programs. We are making money. Upgrade your training programs, enrich your knowledge, take advantage of the one-to-one sessions to take your trading skills to the next level, guys. Take advantage of us in a good sense, okay? You know what I mean. So this is a unique opportunity Trademy is offering you today. 10% discount on all training programs. My father used to say, you need to take the opportunity from the head every time it's presented to you. And in this life, guys, opportunities are not so common. So take advantage of that. Upgrade your training programs, 10% discount only for today. How do you upgrade? What is the procedure? You need to contact your personal account managers at Trademy.com. So having said that, we are going back to a lift because the pairs are not moving at all. I think the action is on here now. So let's go straight forward to a lift. Enjoy it, guys.
Hello, welcome back. It's time for the US opening. It's time for the US opening. I see some new names, there we go. You see now also my screen. Guys, our DAX position just got triggered. We just opened a DAX position. So let's have a look. Here we go. We put our pending order. We put a sell order in the market. Hit that level. Now we are waiting for the reversal. We are waiting for the reversal and it will be good. So we are short on DAX and we entered at 10,725. So I see some new faces. Welcome. I'm really happy having you here in our nice community. I will explain you shortly what I do during the opening, guys. During the opening, here we go. I'm trading mainly USA 30 and USA 100 because I'm aiming what's going on the markets and trading based on the movements of the market. So the US opening just happened. DAX is dropping. Gold, look at gold. Gold is giving me $3,000. DAX is giving me money. So let me see USA 100, what's happening? So we just closed DAX position. That's what we want on US. On DAX, we are making money. Guys, I'm getting to short Dow Jones. Let me wait a few minutes more. There we go. I just shorted Dow Jones and I'm shorting USA 100. Just shorted Dow Jones and USA 100. What I do. Okay, here we go. USA 30, it's very indefined. I don't like it how it moves. It doesn't take a direction. Come on. Give me some profit so I can close you. Come on, give me a bit of profit. Especially Dow Jones, I want a bit profit to close the position. We closed our gold position with $3,400. We got, okay, here we go. USA 100 is giving us now $200. There we go. That's what we want. The market is dropping, and when it's dropping, we go and get money. I'm putting my take profit at 23,000. We are making 23,440. That's my take profit for USA. USA 30, it's a profit of $600 for USA 100. For USA 100, my take profit is at 6,415. 6,415. Now, there we go. Come on, I want some money. No, it's not getting a direction. I'm closing them now. It's not getting a direction. USA 100. Okay, I'm buying also USA 100. On USA 30, I will wait if it's breaking through this level and then I will take an action. You see, USA 100 is not able to decide. On DAX, I don't have a take profit, guys. Let's put a take profit on DAX. Come on. I put my take profit on DAX at 10,710. 10,710 is my take profit. There we go. USA 100. What's happening with gold, by the way? I have to check also, always gold. Gold is one of those assets which you have to have always an eye on. Nothing much yet, okay? USA 100, I'm making right now $100 on the long position. I will put a take. Guys, I'm closing my short position on USA 100 and I'm leaving my long position. There we go. I'm making $400 right now on my long position. That's what I want. Guys, I'm going again long on Dow Jones also. No, let's wait. Let's wait a bit on Dow Jones. I'm going long. Just entered a long position on Dow Jones. I'm long on Dow Jones. I'm long on USA 100. How much I lost on my $700? Yes, $770. So I want at least $770 out of my USA 100 position. Let's put a take profit at 6,450. At 6,450, we put a take profit. Oh, sorry, Hap. Yes, I'm quite fast moving. Guys, Dow Jones, I'm selling Dow Jones. There we go. I just sold again Dow Jones. There we go. I just sold Dow Jones. Okay, my DAX position is making money. I just closed my DAX position. We made on my DAX position $900. On USA 30, we are making right now $600. What's happening with gold? Let me see. Gold is going up. Okay, guys, I will buy a bit gold because if USA 30 is dropping, gold is going up. So I bought gold. And I'm going to sell. I'm selling DAX. Just sold DAX, guys. On the USA 30 position, I'm making right now 1,000. Guys, on the USA 30 position, I'm making let me see. Okay, now everything is moving a bit more up. I'm increasing a bit more my exposure on USA on DAX. Let me see on USA 30. Okay, guys, get ready to close USA 30 position with a small loss. Get ready. Get ready to close a bit your USA 30 position. No, I will leave it. Okay, on on DAX, I'm selling again. Here we go. And my just sold again a DAX position, guys. So, guys, I have two DAX positions short. I have one gold position long, one USA 30 position short. I'm making $1,500. I have to put some take profits. Let's put some take profits over here. My take profit on this position is at 23,354. Here we go. So, Italy 40s from the morning. So on DAX, where we put our take profits on DAX, we go to 10,680. No, 75. This is our take profit on DAX. We have two positions on DAX, guys. It's 10,675. Our Dow Jones position is going to hit take profit very, very soon, guys. Let's sell also USA 30. Here we go. I just sold USA 30 as well. USA 100. So for today, we made $9,000 so far. Okay. So
Muted.
but I'm going again for a long position on gold with 30 lots. Here we go. I'm buying now. Just bought gold. And on gold, my take profit will be at 1,293.70.
Muted.
For both, I will put for both the same stop loss, take profit. So it will be at 1,292.70. This is our take profit, guys, for gold. What's happening with USA 100? Okay, guys, we have a buy position on USA 100. We have to see and close that position as well. We have to see and close that position as well. So, Ilhab, I know I moved very, very fast, but during the opening, you have to take decisions very fast. I know it's very confusing for you, but what I'm trying to do during the openings is to see the market movements, to see the reactions, and react on them. So, guys, we have here a small move on USA 100. This is very nice. On USA 100, I don't believe that the market will go further up. That's why my buy position, I will close it with a very small profit. There we go. I just closed it with a very, very small profit of $114. Not much, but it's okay. So, because I'm expecting here the market to drop again, and I want a bigger profit here. I'm selling it again. Here we go. I just sold USA 100. And on USA 100, my take profit will be the entry level of the other trade, which is at 6,415. Come on. Then I have also one. It will be okay. So, nice one. Gold is not moving anymore. This is what I don't like. Gold is not moving. So, by time, Ilhab, you will get used to this environment and these trading habits. No worries. So, USA. I'm expecting the market to drop because let's wait a bit more. And then we see for further actions. Then I will see if I increase my exposure on USA 30. So so far we made $9,369. There is still some money to get. I don't like the movement of gold. Again here, if the market comes below 1,290, guys, on gold, Yep, we are scalping, Ilham. Oh, we are trying at least. So on gold, if the market comes below 1,290, okay, 1,290, and we see a cross of our stochastic oscillator here below 20, guys, this is very important, then we will go again long on DAX, on gold. Just have it in mind. Just have it in mind. I might increase once again my gold exposure, just for you to know. So. Okay, this is Dow Jones, this is DAX, this is USA 100. I have two positions open on USA 100. Both are sell positions. And I'm expecting some money. Here we go. We'll get there. So, Kyriakos, what's going on with your trades?
Unmuted.
Okay.
So, basically, guys, the forex pairs are not moving at all. So, as we can see, I have a long position on Aussie dollar. From the morning, this is the opening of the day. It has been trading between a narrow trading range of 22 pips only, guys. So nothing interesting here. Regarding the Kiwi, things are even slower. I mean, it's just up and down, doesn't get a direction. Dollar CAD is trying to get a direction now, and I like what I see on dollar CAD. So it's trying to drop, guys, as expected. So I'm keeping the short positions. We are not far away from our take profit level, guys. So nothing to worry about that. I think we will get our TP eventually, guys, on dollar CAD. Is dropping nicely. And also the dollar yen is accumulating, is the best thing to say, is accumulating for a further, for the moment, indecision. No ups, no downs for the moment for dollar yen, so I'm patiently waiting for the pairs to develop, and I will keep you updated if we hit TP. For the moment, the best performing trade from the ones that we have remaining is dollar CAD. We see a nice bearish cross on the stochastics oscillators. Now the RSI is finding support on the 40 line. I have repeated it many times. In an uptrend, the 40 is important, and in a downtrend, the 60 level, as you can see here, is important. So we have a downtrend on dollar CAD. The 60 level is acting as a resistance level on the RSI. Let's go to the 5-minute chart to see how things are there. Bearish parabolics have just appeared. Nice bearish cross on the stochastic, but I want to see again here the RSI breaking below 40 in order to break any intraday minor supports and eventually have the desired drop. So for dollar CAD, I have a short position. We are aiming for $2,622 for dollar CAD. Currently, we are in the money, I would like to say. We are making almost $900, but I'm expecting a further decline on dollar CAD. And in order to answer the question I have from the morning, I'm only reversing to long positions only if I see the price going above the opening price of today. Otherwise, I will stick to short as I am right now. And let's see if we will manage and hit our take profits shortly within our live trading room session. Now, don't forget that only for today, Trademy.com is offering a unique opportunity for those of you who would like to upgrade your training programs to a higher level of 10% discount, guys. So take advantage of this opportunity. Those of you who wish to upgrade your training programs, only for today, Trademy is offering 10% discount, okay? How do you upgrade your training programs? Through your personal account managers at trademy.com. Contact them and they will guide you through the process. Now, regarding news announcements, I would like to repeat myself that in approximately 10 minutes, we are expecting ISM non-manufacturing PMI and factory orders announcements from the United States. And regarding the Canadian dollar, we have IV Purchasing Managers Index, and it will be very interesting since we are trading dollar CAD in approximately 10 minutes to see if we will see any nice volatility on our short positions, current short positions of USD on USD Canadian dollar, guys. Now, regarding news announcements for tomorrow, again, we have some minor news regarding the euro. I see Elif has an update. We'll go straight to Elif and then you come back. Thank you.
Hello, everybody. So we hit take profit, ching, 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 ching. We hit take profit on Dow Jones, guys. On Dow Jones, we hit take profit $2,659 on Dow Jones, and we increased our profit so far to $12,028. Nice one. That's what we want. And now I will go directly again short on Dow Jones. Let me wait for a small pullback and then we will be there. So, by the way, also USA 100 started to drop. That's what we want. Gold is not very nice. I'm a bit concerned about gold, but as I said, if the market comes to this level and we have a cross, then I will increase my exposure. Guys, on USA 30, I'm selling again. Here we go. Just sold again on USA 30. Just sold again on USA 30, and we are making money. We are making money, guys. Yes, we started already making money. $200, $300. We paid off the spread. That's what we want. Look at DAX, look at USA 30, and look at USA 100. They are all dropping. And as we want, and that's what I like. Let me see. It's a nice one. It's a nice one. Let's go. Okay, here we go. I want some money. I want more money on USA 100. I'm making right now $200. On USA 30, I'm making a small amount of money. On DAX, I'm making a small amount of money, but I want more. The only one I need to check all the time a bit DAX or a bit gold. So on gold, if the market level is around here, or below 1,290, we have to increase our exposure, guys. Just have that in mind. Then I have still a position open from Italy 40 from this morning. We will keep that one, because as you can see on DAX, there is still some struggle to go down. Okay, what happened to oil? I see that something happened also to oil. Okay, it's not that big. Okay, we had also some movement on oil. That's good. So, guys, I have on USA 30, I just opened a position. It's nice. Gold position. Yep. So, guys, just for you to know, USA 30 is making money. DAX is making money. Italy 40, the money is getting smaller and smaller. The loss is getting smaller and smaller. That's good. Just for you to know, guys, we are making $1,000 on Dow Jones. Let's put a take profit immediately on Dow Jones. My take profit is at, it dropped below, not yet. Let's put it 23,300. Let's put it on 23,000. Okay, I put it on 23,295. I put it there and we see what happens. So it will be around $1,500 extra, which I'm aiming. So guys, regarding the 10% discount, it's valid also for the one-to-one packages, session packages, which Trademy is offering. So if you like to open a one-to-one session with me or with Kyriakos, do not hesitate to contact us. Guys, we had take profit on USA 100, $400, extra $400. So if you want to get a one-to-one session with me or with Kyriakos, you can get today a 10% discount on every package, including the one-to-one session packages. I see Kyriakos has an up.
Unmuted.
Go directly to Kyriakos.
Okay, guys, important announcements are approaching on US dollar and Canadian dollar, and what's the best thing to do rather than watching the dollar cut short position we have. High volatility is expected. We are monitoring the 5-minute chart of USD cut, guys. We have short positions. Get ready for some crazy volatility. There we go. We are aiming from this short position $2,623. However, don't forget that I have my reversal order here. It's absolutely nothing for dollar cut to reverse and go up suddenly. So we need to be standby, guys. We are approaching important news announcements in approximately 4 minutes from now, but already, as you can see from the 5-minute chart, volatility has started on this crazy pair, and it's really crazy, guys, when it starts to get volatile. Believe me, it can get up or down 2 or 3 figures in 5 minutes. However, that's not what I'm expecting. Now I'm expecting volatility, nice volatility. So let's see. We have short positions. Currently, we are making $1,400. Our aim monetary target from this position is $2,624. Just 4 minutes, 3 minutes now before the news announcement. ISM Manufacturing and IV Purchasing Managers Index. Manufacturing for the United States, factory orders for the United States dollar, IV Purchasing Managers Index for the Canadian dollar. We see now some nice volatility. $1,500 we are making on dollar cut. And if we close this position with a profit, guys, straightforward position without any reversals, that's another $2,624. And this means we will increase our daily profits to above $20,000. There we go, just 2.5 minutes before the news announcements. Let's switch to the 1-minute chart in order to really enjoy the volatility, guys. Get ready, crazy movements. All right, are you watching this, guys? Now you will feel what volatility in Forex is like. Let's see, just seconds away from the news announcements. Factory orders, ISM non-manufacturing PMI for the United States dollar, and IV Purchasing Managers Index for the Canadian dollar. And we have a short position of 10 lots on dollar cut. Getting ready for the action. Let's see. Let's have a look also on the spread of dollar cut. Currently it's at 1.6 pips. It's expected to rise because of the volatility. That's absolutely normal to occur. So let's see, guys. We are monitoring the 1-minute chart of dollar cut, and we are just 14 pips away from our take profit target. And if we hit that, we will increase our daily profits to above $20,000. Not bad at all from one trading day. Otherwise, if the pair goes up, we will reverse and we will see what will happen about that. So just 1 minute away. Let's see the volatility of dollar cut. News are out in approximately 40 seconds from now. Now is a good time to start in showing some volatility. 30 seconds now. Let's see. Let's make it some space. So let's see what the news announcements will say. Now it started to move a bit. Just 10 seconds away, guys. Are you watching this? Let's see. Come on, there we go. News are out, guys. ISM non-manufacturing, worse than expected. IV for the United States dollar. IV purchasing managers index, better than expected for the Canadian dollar. Let's see the factory orders. There we go, it started to drop now. We are also missing the factory orders figure from the United States. There we go, guys, get ready for the TP. It started to fall. I was expecting much more volatility on that. Remember that we are monitoring the news from forexlive.com. ISM non-manufacturing for the United States dollar came out at 57.6 versus 359 of the forecast. IV Purchases Manager Index came out at 59.7 for the Canadian dollar versus 56.8, so much better than expected figures for the Canadian dollar, much worse than expected figures for the United States dollar. Fundamentally, this pair is ready for a decline. Also, technical analysis indicates a decline, that's why we have shorted it. But it seems that the volatility is not the desired one. So most probably will trouble us a bit longer. We are keeping the positions. We are not closing anything for the moment. Currently, we are making almost $1,700. Factory orders. Factory orders, still waiting for the figures, guys. Now dollar CAD is declining a bit. We are making now almost $1,800. Let's see, I would love to see the total daily profits to close above 20,000, but I always do my best, guys. I will try and hit TP on dollar CAD, but it's not up to me, it's up to the markets, guys. So, having said that, I think I didn't observe the desired volatility. Don't forget to follow us on Twitter at #TradeMEA. You can subscribe also to our YouTube channel at Trademy Trading Academy, and of course you can follow us on our Facebook page. It's very important to follow us on our social media because we are posting our videos, our highlights on YouTube. You can download them and save them on your PC, tablet, or iPhones or Androids and view them as many times as you wish, or you can follow us on Twitter and see any updates we have regarding our trade positions. So that's all I have for the moment. Not a bad day at all. A bit less than $20,000. $18,327 to be more accurate for me today, guys. Not bad at all. We still have these positions running. Dollar CAD is behaving nicely, however, it's not falling with the rate I would like to see it falling. That's all I have for the moment. I don't know if Elif has any more updates. That's it, guys, for today. But we see now dollar CAD is falling nicely. Let's see if we will manage and hit another TP, guys, and increase our profits to above $20,000. So basically, I'm missing $1,700. If I have this, okay, guys, let's go. Close it. All right, guys, we have just closed it, and my target is done for the day. Not bad at all. $20,075. We also closed our CAD position. Is not bad for a day. $20,075. That's all for the moment, guys. See you tomorrow at 9 a.m. UTC time. Always here with Elif and myself for more profits. Thank you, all of you, for being here with us tonight. Don't forget that the special offer ends today. It's only for today, guys. 10% discount on all training programs and on one-to-one sessions. Thank you very much for being with us. Take care and see you all tomorrow. Thank you. Bye-bye.